Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will explore one of the very useful feature of a A2 plus assembly workbench. As for this tutorial I have chosen very simple assembly. This is the bunk bed and this is the top assembly, and here are the sub assemblies which I have inserted here, and I have fully constrained it my sub assemblies. But the problem is, when I give this assembly someone to edit, then that guy has to spend time to understand the assembly structure. So there is a one very powerful feature in a A2 plus assembly workbench where we can create a statics HTML assembly hierarchy, as you can see here. So this hierarchy give very clear pictures how are the assemblies has been done. For example, if you see our this hierarchy structure, this is the first fixed part, which one is my this assembly 11900 you can see here, and these are the sub assemblies which are assembled with respect to this fix my first fix assemblies. Okay, and you can clearly see in this hierarchy structure what are the constraint has been used. For example, if I see this my screw, it has the planar constraint and axial constraint. Same for this screw. For example, this assembly is having this plane relations with my fixed part. Which one is this? So anybody can identify this assembly and easily edit those assemblies. So we will see that how we can generate that assembly hierarchy structure like this. So in A2 plus assembly workbench you will have a option here which is known as a HTML file with detailed constraining structure. So what you have to do, you have to select your top assemblies and click on this. So it will generate a hierarchy structure of your assemblies. So if you are not seeing this here, because I have turned off my report view, so if I turn on my report view here, so I can see here that my assembly hierarchy structure has been created on these locations. So I will go to my project folders. So here is my project folder. So here is that hierarchy has been created. So as it is a HTML file, so you can view with any browser, but I'm very fine viewing it with Edge browser. So now I close it and I will show you live how to see your assembly structure. So once you open that HTML file, you will see here your structure of assemblies, and if you change anything in the assembly, for example any constraint, you have to create that assembly structure. So this assembly structure will get updated. So this is the very useful feature if you are working on any projects or working on any team. So when you done any assembly, you can parallelly send this assembly structure. So it will help engineer to easily understand your assembly structure, and it will save lots of time to update an assembly. So this is all about a very small tool in A2 plus assembly, how to create a assembly hierarchy structure with a single click. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, and you can also buy a cup of coffee for me. Link is given in the video descriptions, and I will come with a more useful tips on FreeCAD. Thank you for watching.